Welcome to Mr. Complete, where curiosity meets reality and ambition turns into income. A teenager with a laptop can now make more money than people working traditional jobs for 20 years. Sounds unbelievable? Not anymore, because the internet completely changed the rules of wealth. Today, millionaires are being created from bedrooms, coffee shops, small apartments, phones and laptops. No giant office, no powerful connections, no huge startup money, just internet access, skills, and consistency. And today we're diving into one of the biggest financial revolutions in human history, how the internet created a new class of millionaires. Part 1. The old rules of success changed. Years ago, building wealth usually required big capital, connections, physical businesses, large teams. Success was slower and harder to access, but the internet changed everything. Now one person can reach millions globally instantly. That created a completely new opportunity era. Part 2. Attention became more valuable than location. Before the internet, location mattered heavily. Big cities had more opportunity. Today, attention matters more. A person in a small room can build a YouTube channel, a personal brand, an online business, a global audience, and audiences create income opportunities endlessly. That's why creators became modern entrepreneurs. Part 3. Ordinary people became powerful. One of the craziest things about the internet, ordinary people gained influence. Not only celebrities, not only giant corporations, now anyone with ideas, skills, consistency, creativity can build massive audiences and businesses online that completely changed wealth creation forever. Part 4. The United States digital economy explosion. In the United States, the digital economy exploded rapidly. People are making millions through YouTube, TikTok, AI businesses, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online education, freelancing, and many of these businesses started with almost nothing. That's what makes the internet era so powerful. Opportunity became more accessible than ever before. Part 5. Most people still use the internet only for entertainment. This is the sad reality. Most people use the internet only to scroll, watch videos, escape boredom, consume entertainment. Meanwhile, others use the same internet to build brands, learn skills, create businesses, generate income. That's why two people can use the same technology and end up with completely different futures. Part 6. One skill can create global income. The internet rewards valuable skills heavily. For example, video editing, marketing, copywriting, design, AI automation, content creation. A person with one valuable skill can now work with clients worldwide. That was impossible for most people in previous generations. The internet removed geographic limits. Part 7. Personal brands became digital assets. Modern millionaires often build personal brands first. Why? Because trust online creates opportunities. People follow creators they connect with emotionally, and that audience can eventually become customers, clients, communities. That's why personal branding became one of the most valuable modern assets. Part 8. Social media created modern entrepreneurs. Social media platforms became business tools, not just entertainment. People are building companies through TikTok videos, Instagram pages, YouTube channels, X accounts. One viral post can completely change someone's life. That's how powerful attention became in the digital era. Part 9. The Internet rewards consistency. Most successful online entrepreneurs were not instantly successful. They posted content consistently, learned slowly, improved gradually. But most people quit too early, because online success often looks invisible at first. That's why consistency creates advantage. The people who continue long enough usually win eventually. Part 10. The Real Truth. The internet created opportunities previous generations could barely imagine. But opportunity alone changes nothing. Action changes everything. The same phone can either destroy focus through endless entertainment or create financial freedom through learning and building. That decision shapes modern futures. Final message. If you truly want a different life, use the internet differently from average people. Learn skills. Build something. Create value. Because the next generation of millionaires is being built online right now. And maybe your future changes the moment you stop only consuming and start creating. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe to Mr. Complete, and comment, "I will build online." Because here, we don't just talk about money. We talk about modern opportunities that can change lives forever. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.